Hello everyone, welcome back. If you want to send a bold text in WhatsApp without installing a third-party app, then use this WhatsApp trick. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start, please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to tap and hold the App Store. Here will the menu will appear and we are going to tap on updates. Now check the list, is there is any update available for WhatsApp. If there is, then update the WhatsApp app first. After update the WhatsApp app, what we have to do, launch WhatsApp. Select any conversation that you want to send a bold text. I'm going to select this one. Now we are going to use the trick. We are put the star, then type hi, go back, tap star and send. The message will send in bold. That's it. Hopefully friends, you will like and enjoy this video. Use this WhatsApp trick. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.